Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and immediate access. Remove the seat now. You need room to work and to reach the side panels. Once the seat is up, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Next, remove the few visible screws with a #2 Phillips and use a trim pry to release the panel clips. Make sure to keep screws in a container so nothing gets lost, and inspect clips for any broken tabs before proceeding. Once the panel is off, locate the 2-3 screws securing the signal lamp housing and remove them. You will need to pry the housing gently, pressure at clip points, to avoid cracking the lens. After loosening, pull the housing out enough to see the multi-pin connector and the bulb or LED module. Press the connector release tab and unplug it straight out. For bulb-type units, twist the base counterclockwise or unscrew the retaining ring to free the bulb. Keep gaskets and foam pads intact for reinstallation. You now fit the replacement or reseat the original part, making sure the gasket and lens align so water cannot enter. Reconnect the multi-pin connector until it clicks, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once done, test the turn signal and hazard lights to confirm proper operation before snapping panels back. Reinstall screws snugly. Don't over-torque plastic, then check wiring is not pinched. If the signal still fails, inspect the connector for corrosion or bent pins and verify the flasher fuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.